Good morning everyone. We, the students of Nanak Academy, presenting our working model based on pyrolysis. As we know, today one of the biggest environmental problem is plastic waste pollution. Every minute, one garbage truck full of plastic is dumped into our oceans. We are literally running out of space to hide our mistakes. We are suffocating in our own discard resources. But what if we stop seeing plastic as a burden and started seeing it as a fuel source? This is where our model comes in. To solve this problem, we present our working model based on a modern technology called pyrolysis.
So pyrolysis is a modern waste-to-best technology in which plastic is heated at a temperature of 300 degrees Celsius to 700 degrees Celsius in the absence of oxygen to convert into useful products like biochar, biogas and biofuel. Instead of seeing plastic as a waste, we should use this as a source of energy.
Now, I will explain the working of our model step by step. First, the plastic waste is added into the hopper. From there, the plastic passes through the shredder and the shredder cuts the plastic into smaller pieces which helps in faster and more efficient heating during the process.
After the shredding of the plastic enters into heating chamber where it is heated at a temperature of 300 degrees Celsius to 700 degrees Celsius. Due to high temperature, the plastic converts into vapors and enters into scrubber,
which help remove impurities and harmful particles from the gases. After this, the particles enter into the cyclone separator where heavier particles are separated and clean vapors are obtained. Clean vapors are then cooled and condensed into liquid fuel called pyrolysis oil.
Now we have three end products. First one is biofuel. We can use biofuel in the place of fossil fuels as fossil fuels are diminishing for Earth's surface. The second one is biogas. This biogas is again used in the heating chamber for this process.
But there always remains a risk of gas leakage during this process. For that, we have prepared a gas leakage detection system which detects harmful gases through sensors and produces an alarm to prevent accidents. And our third product is biogas, biochar. We are also demonstrating an additional use of carbon residue produced during the process. We are using two setups here. In the first setup, we are using normal soil. When water is added into this soil, it flows away quickly because the soil cannot retain much moisture. And in the second setup, the soil is mixed with biochar. When water is added into this, the soil absorbs the water instead of letting it flow away quickly. This shows that biochar increases the water holding capacity of the soil.
Many countries like India depend heavily on the Gulf countries for crude oil and fuel. Like in the past few days, the war between Iran and Israel has affected most on the prices of fuel in India.
Today, we can see that the world is gradually shifting towards solar energy for electricity generation. But earlier, solar energy was considered expensive and difficult to adopt. But with government support, subsidies and public awareness, it has now become a useful alternative energy source. At present, pyrolysis appears to be one of the most promising solutions as it converts plastic waste into useful products. Instead of treating plastic only as waste, pyrolysis converts it into biogas, biofuel and biochar. Thank you.